Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Dr. ABM Omar Farooq, Professor of Anatomy and Head, Bosundhara Addin Medical College, South Kanarganj, Dhaka. My dear students, today my session is spinal nerve. I am going to discuss about following topics: definition, formation, functional component, faith and branches, distribution, and plexus formed by the spinal nerve. Spinal nerve is a mixed nerve which carries motor, sensory and autonomic signals between the spinal cord and the body. In the human body, there are 31 pair of spinal nerves, one on each side of the vertebral column. There are 31 pair of spinal nerve: cervical 8 pair, thoracic 12 pair, lumbar 5 pair, sacral 5 pair and coccygeal 1 pair. The spinal nerves are a part of peripheral nervous systems. Spinal nerve is formed by the ventral root and dorsal root unite at the level of intervertebral foramen. Ventral root is motor and carries motor or efferent fiber from the spinal cord. The cell bodies of this motor fiber lies in the anterior gray column of the spinal cord. Motor fibers go directly without synapse to striated muscles, nerve to motor muscle. Dorsal root is sensory or efferent. It contains bundles of nerve fibers that carry impulse to the central nervous system, thus convey information about sensation of touch, pain, temperature and vibration. The cell bodies of these fibers are in dorsal root ganglia. This is the picture of formation of spinal nerve. This is the picture of ventral root and dorsal root ganglia, gray ramus and white ramus. Now, functional component of spinal nerve. Spinal nerve has 4 functional components. Number 1, GSA, general somatic afferent, GSE, general somatic efferent, GVA, general visceral afferent, GVE, general visceral efferent. Fate of the spinal nerve. Immediately after formation of spinal nerve, within the intervertebral foramen, nerves divide into a ventral and dorsal ramus. The smaller dorsal ramus supply skin and muscles near the midline of the back. The larger ventral rami supply most of the body musculature and skin and are ones that unite to form the great nerve plexus that are largely responsible for intervening the limbs. So, finally, spinal nerve has major 5 branches. Number A, ventral rami, number B, dorsal rami, number C, gray rami, number D, white rami and number E, recurrent meningeal branch. Ventral rami also have some cutaneous branch, muscular branch and dorsal rami also have some same sub branches. Now, plexus formed by the spinal nerve. Spinal nerve from several plexus in our body. First of all, cervical plexus. Cervical plexus is formed by cervical 1 to cervical 8 spinal nerves, and another plexus is formed by cervical nerve, and along with some portion of thoracic spinal nerve is called brachial plexus. Important nerve arise from the cervical plexus is phrenic nerve, and another important nerve arise from brachial plexus is median nerve, ulnar nerve, axillary nerve, which innervates the muscles and cutaneous supplies of the upper limb. There are 5 pairs of spinal nerve in lumbar region. This lumbar spinal nerve with contribution of sacral spinal nerve make another plexus, it is called sacral plexus. Important nerve arise from sacral plexus is called sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerve is the most important nerve in posterior aspects of the lower limb, which has 2 parts, tibial part and common peroneal nerve. These 2 nerves innervates the most of the muscles of the flexor surface of thigh and leg. Another important modification of the spinal nerve present in thoracic region, it is intercostal nerve. Intercostal nerve may be defined as ventral rami of upper 11th thoracic spinal nerve is called intercostal nerve. There are 11 intercostal space present in our body. After forming spinal nerve, 2 sub branches arise, firstly ventral rami and dorsal rami. In thoracic region, in 11th space, ventral rami enter into this space and termed as a intercostal nerve. In below the 12th rib there is no space. So, this intercostal nerve of 12th space is termed as subcostal nerve. So, intercostal nerve basically ventral rami of the upper 11th thoracic spinal nerve. They are also mixed type of nerve. Finally, the criteria of ventral root and dorsal root of spinal nerve. Dorsal root arise series of rootlets arranged in straight line appearing on the surface of the spinal cord, has a ganglion is called dorsal root ganglion. Cell body's origin lie in the dorsal root ganglia. Functionally they are sensory, but ventral root has no ganglion. Cell body's origin lies in anterior gray column of the spinal cord. Functionally they are motor. So, all spinal nerve arise from motor nucleus and also sensory nucleus of spinal cord. That is why all spinal nerve is mixed in type. So, that is all my today's session about spinal nerve. Thank you for your patience. Hope we will meet again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.